the combination of finding a right person and putting your trust in them, faith in them, it's such a magical, undescribable, amazing thing. I'm not even talking about romantic relationship. Even in any settings, it could be family, workspace, with your manager, your spouse, friend, children, basically anyone. When you when they are good people, when they are people of ethics and morals and faith, good hearted, honest people, and you put your trust in them, you believe them, you tell them how much they mean to you and how highly you think of them. And this faith ignites something so divine, it's unmatched. They would do anything and everything, even beyond their capacity. They will try their level best and more, just to make sure that they don't fail you, they don't disappoint you. They would just want to give you more, to make you prove that your your trust was on the right people, and they would love to honor your belief in them. And I'm telling you because I have seen spouses where, you know, wife put such a belief in the husband that ignites something in him that now he wants to conquer the world and more, and do everything in his capacity to make his wife's belief into a reality. I have seen some employee having a great manager, and the manager was so supportive and helpful, motivating, and always inspiring them to do big and more, respecting and appreciating them. And those employees are very good people at their core, and they just wanted to honor their manager's belief, faith, and working so hard, putting extra effort, going extra mile. Like, it's so good to see. It's amazing. Do trust people. Do trust right people.